We know, as an MNI, we know the value of the civil servant. As an MNI, we know the value of the military. As an MNI, we know the value of public servants. As an MNI, we know the value of judiciary. We know the value of all executive arms of government. The civil service is at the center. They are the ones that hold it. So I want to assure every civil servant here that this stage we are working together. Civil servants, you will not be left behind. We will not wait until election before we pay your gratuity. We will not hold your salary for 4 years. We won't hold your promotion for 4 years. And then when it's time for election, we now promote one person based on people's salary. No, we will not do that. We understand the value. So please, civil servants, go and vote for us, because we respect you. We respect you. So please, Faga, this local government is a big local government. It's a local government that has indigenes and non-indigenes alike. The non-indigenes that are here, we are your brothers, we are your sisters, we are together. We believe in you. There is no place in this world that can develop with only the indigenes of that place. Nowhere in this world. So if we do not respect you in this land, then it means we don't want development. And this government wants development. We are going to progress. So we will work together to develop this state. Every non-indigene in this state, consider yourself a partner in our development, a partner in our progress, a partner in our growth. You go walk, you go walk, you say now walk chop. Now walk chop. Civil servants walk chop. Indigenes walk chop. Non-indigenes walk chop. Women walk, youths walk chop. Elders walk chop. Traditional ruler, all that one that will be threatening traditional rulers, seize their staff, remove them, insult them, tell them to get out, carry this man, come out from there, sit down, shut up, don't talk. All that one must stop. It must. We respect human beings. I respect you, and if I respect you, you will respect. That's how it is. I need you to vote. Every vote matters. This election is unit by unit. Your unit. Nobody must take your unit. You will say, this is my unit, and I will deliver my unit. If you deliver your unit, I deliver my unit, we will win. This election, let me tell you, and I speak with authority here, we are winning this election. You will be swearing in it, a new governor in Rivers State, and he will be called His Excellency. You will swear in on that day a new governor in this state, and his name is His Excellency Pastor Tony Patrick Cole. Finally, I cannot do it on my own. I have only one vote, one unit, one ward, one local government, and I have one state, but only one vote. It means that I need all of you. I need your PVCs. I need the PVCs of pensioners, because we will remember pensioners. I need the vote of women, because we remember women. I need the vote of civil servants because we remember civil servants. I need the vote of public officers because we remember public officers. I need the vote of students because we remember students. I need the vote of youth because we remember youth. I need the vote of traditional rulers praying for us because we need traditional rulers. I need the vote of our elders because we remember our elders. I have challenged over and over my opponent, my candidate, that he should please come out. I am here. I'm talking to you. I am shaking you. I'm holding you. I can touch you. I know the fear. There's no fear. We're here. We greet you now. Anywhere we go, we greet you without fear. We touch you. You can touch me. I am not a spirit. I'm a human being. You can touch me in flesh and blood. I can reach you. I can sit down with you. I can hold your baby. You know me. You feel me. You can tell me your problem. I have said over and over that me, I am not afraid. We have an opponent, a big party. APC is a big party. PDP is a big party. We are not afraid. We say, come. You want to go to election. We want to go to election. You have people to vote for you. We have people to vote for you. You have a candidate. We have a candidate. We can see our candidate. Where is your... one-on-one. Our candidate is going from unit to unit. Our candidate is entering waterfront. He's climbing bicycle. He's going on motorcycle. He dey enter boat. He dey waka. He dey waka for leg. He dey go everywhere. Enter. Go grassroots, sit down, talk with the people, talk with mama, talk with pikin, carry everybody. I beg, make your candidate come out. I beg, make I kneel down, beg now. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Make you sit down. Make me I sit down. Make we talk. Make you hear what you get. Make I tell you what I get. You go talk the school where you go. I go talk the school where I go. I go say what I learn. You go talk what you learn. You go talk the one way you do. I go talk the one way I do. See this election. This election. You won't hear what I fit do for you. Then you go ask him, say, wait till you don't like the one where I talk. You don't go vote for. Not be so. This election, not be about party again. This election now, who sabi you? Now who know the one where they pay you? Now who fit make difference for you? Who fit reach you? Who you fit reach? Who fit come meet you? No be to shoot gun, make people run. That one no be am. That one no be am at all. Call your people, make them come. We go call our people, make them come. All of them go stand together. We go talk. You go ask questions, we go answer. You go ask them questions, you go answer. I dey go radio. I don't know whether I don't go radio yet. You never go. I mean, you don't go radio. I don't know. You never go. You never go at all. Well, wait. You never go radio at all. You never go radio. Okay. So the problem no be money because they get money to pay for radio. No be so. Okay. I beg, make we offer them space. No, we offer them space. Make them come take one of our slots where we get for radio. They don't need to pay. Make them go so that they go talk. Then we don't pay. We dey pay space for them. Make them go take calm. Make them go talk so that you go call them. You go ask them question. And then they call me. When I dey radio, they go call me. People go call me. They go ask me question. They go say, oh, they say that's what they talk say you do. That's what they talk say you do. That's what they talk say you do. I go answer them. I know they fear. The one way they ask me, I answer. Myself, I get question to ask. And I won't make them answer me.
Their own dummy.
I beg.
Dummy.
So please. No, it's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. They say it's okay. It's okay. Make you just hold belly. It's okay. Look, it's about our election. We're not afraid of election. We're not afraid of violence. We're not afraid of guns. It's not the first time that they are shooting at me. Old Bakana, they shot. We stood. They finished shooting. They ran away. We finished our program. They shot today. They ran away. We will finish our program. Everywhere we are going, tomorrow we will be there. We were there in Eche. They said that it will not happen. Eche was a crowd. It panicked them. We were in Ekwere yesterday. The crowd was bigger. It shocked them. Because of that, they said that they must stop Faga. They cannot stop us. Tomorrow we will continue. Our people will come out. Somebody said APC is not on the ground. Are we not on the ground? Is APC not here? APC! APC!
My name is Sir Collins Sohonda. I am the APC House of Reps candidate, Federal Constituency 2, and the leader of FAGA, APC. One, I need to make you understand, if you watch the reaction of people here on the street, it's enough to tell you where they are going to. They are going to vote for APC. Do you understand? And because they know that APC have the capacity to change their story. And that is why we are going about on the street here, talking to them. We are not ready to fight. Fighting is not the issue. The issue is appealing to the people. If you appeal to them and they think you are worth it to vote for them, to vote for you, period, they vote for you. There have been attempts, serious attempts to stop us from campaigning. Do you understand? But APC is strong. They campaigned. And then what they did again was to shoot dynamite. If you think you're in control, why shoot dynamite? That is the issue. You understand? Why do you want to shoot dynamite to disperse the people who have collectively come together to talk? You can also go, have your own. Nobody is shooting dynamite where you come. The election is more of who do you want to be there. We vote for you, vote for that person. And that's all. I will advise every other party to be very mindful of the way they go about these things. It's not a do or die affair. Tell the public what you want to do. If they like you, they vote for you. I will tell the public what I want to do for them. If they like me, they vote for me. I cannot go and start using dynamite to disperse people who peacefully want to talk to people to vote for them. You see, today the DC was very diplomatic. I can understand the pain he has also. You understand? What he advised is that he said, we paid and they have given us approval. That the area of one faction of the community saying they were not carried along in the payment. You understand? We should go and sort it out, which we have done. The leader of a faction, we are giving him 100,000 out of the 200,000 that we paid. We have given him their own. And that is why we had the DC successfully today. That's it. Thank you.